Can I stop payment on a check I've already written? Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to stop payment on a check you have already written? It can happen to anyone, and knowing your options is essential. The good news is that you can request to stop payment, but there are some important details to keep in mind. First, you can only stop payment if the check has not yet been processed or cashed by the recipient. Once the check clears your account, it is too late to take action. To initiate a stop payment, you will need to act quickly. Start by confirming that the check has not cleared your account. If it has already been cashed or deposited, your bank or credit union cannot stop the payment. If the check is still outstanding, you will need to provide your bank with specific details. This includes your account number, the check number, the exact amount, the date it was written, and the name of the payee. You can contact your bank or credit union in several ways. You might visit a branch in person, call customer service, or use an online banking platform if available. Speaking directly to a representative is often the best way to ensure your request is recorded properly. Keep in mind that banks and credit unions typically charge a fee for processing a stop payment order. This fee can vary but is commonly around $30. The stop payment order usually remains in effect for a limited period, often up to 6 months. If the check has not been presented for payment after that time, you may need to renew the stop payment order. Acting quickly is vital. If the check has already cleared, you will need to resolve the issue directly with the payee. There are several reasons you might want to request a stop payment. Perhaps you wrote a check for the wrong amount, sent it to the wrong person, or canceled the underlying transaction. It can also be necessary if the check was lost, stolen, or suspected to be part of a fraud. From the perspective of banks and credit unions, stop payment orders are a way to protect customers from unauthorized or mistaken payments. However, clear communication and timely action are essential for them to be effective. When you place a stop payment order, the institution will flag the check in their system to prevent it from being paid out. If your bank pays the check after you have placed a proper stop payment order, they may be liable for the amount as long as you followed the correct procedures. So, if you find yourself needing to stop payment on a check, remember to act fast, provide the necessary details, and be aware of any fees involved. This way, you can protect your finances and resolve any issues effectively.